Hello everyone, my name is Jonas M. Lacson, 27 years old. I'm from Manila City, Pampanga. I'm graduated as Aircraft Maintenance Technology at Asian College of Aeronautics. My skills was spray painting, especially those wide body, such as truck, buses, and also I work as a aircraft maintenance at Lufthansa Technic Philippines. Eventually, I became technical intern trainee in Fukushima, Japan. There, I able to improve myself, improve my skills, such as sanding, masking, stripping, and spray painting. I really want to relocate to Australia and become an Australian citizen someday. Because compare here in Philippines, there's a lot of difference. For example, the cost of living and the quality of living. I remember when I was a little child, my friend's auntie, she was taking her vacation once a year here in the Philippines, and then she was talking a lot of things about Australia, such as the public transportations, medical services, educations, and the things I love the most, the wildlife preservations. Because me, one of my hobby or my interest was keeping exotic pets, especially reptiles. Seeing wildlife in Australia is one of my dreams. Taking selfie with a kangaroo and post it in the Facebook. Hashtag, Mama, please be proud of me. By the way, I'm engaged with Maria Paula Tabaquero. She was one of my motivation why I want to have a better career in Australia. Because of her and my family, I was able to keep moving forward. Because I want to give them a better future. Maybe if this time is my lucky time, I see myself 10 years from now living with my family in Australia, having our own house and car. That's what I call my great achievement. I believe it's better to fail because you tried than you never try at all. Thank you very much.